Hey guys, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys a mirror wall decor which is super easy to make. It costed me just 250 rupees to make this beautiful wall decor. If you want to buy similar piece outside or in any other online store, it really costs you more. So friends, just give it a try. All the materials required are given in the description box as well. So let's get started. Here I am using plastic corrugated sheet of diameter 13.7 centimeters and the diameter of inner circle is 6 centimeters. And guys, if you don't have this plastic corrugated sheet, even you can use a cardboard or even you can use a hardboard. That's completely your choice. Here we will be placing the mirror. Just stick the mirror using the glue. Instead of this glue, even you can use fevibond to stick the mirror. And just place some weight over the mirror and wait for it to get it right. And these are the wooden spoons. We will be requiring 10 spoons now. And cut them as shown in the video. And start sticking them outside the mirror. When I had measured the length, it is like 1 inch. Stick all the 10 spoons around the mirror in circular way and be careful guys while applying the glue such that there should not be any glue stains on the mirror. You can close mirror temporarily by using masking tape to protect it from glue. Adjust all the spoons leaving equal gap between one another. Complete the circle and let it dry. And now we will be using toothpicks. This box costed me like 25 rupees, which is having 350 sticks. And now start placing the toothpicks as shown here. Here I am using this sheet as a support to toothpicks, else they are getting fall off. So place this to give support to the sticks while sticking. And now we will be requiring 10 more wooden spoons and cut them exactly at the neck part. And start sticking them between the previous spoons, leaving equal gaps to form a circle. Here you can see I had covered the mirror with masking tape. And here's how it looks after sticking the spoons and toothpicks. Now start painting the inner layer of spoons with gold acrylic paint. I had applied 3 coats of gold acrylic paint as it's looking a bit lighter. Now for the outer layer of petals, I am applying rustic red color acrylic paint. Even this I had applied 2 coats. And cover the space between the spoons with rustic red color acrylic paint. Here I am using 00 brush as we need to be extra careful that we are not touching the golden petals. Now using the same red color I had given the border to the golden petals. And also color the toothpicks with the same rustic red color acrylic paint. For the back side also. This is how it looks once we are done with the painting part. Now here I am using few pearls and start sticking them to the edges of the toothpicks, leaving the center pick. And these are the few wooden frames and glass mirrors. The glass mirror exactly fits into the wooden frame. And guys, if you don't find the wooden frames, you can even use wooden buttons or wooden rings and just stick the mirrors over that. And here you can see the frames are having holes. Just insert the toothpick into the frame like this using glue. And now I will be sticking these mirrors on the center part of the toothpicks that are on the middle. Like this. Again I am using few pearls and these I will be sticking in between the petals. And one more thing guys, Before sticking the mirrors and pearls, I had applied 2 coats of varnish to secure the base. So please make a note of it. Now we are almost done with our project, and as we need to place this to a wall, you can attach a hook or even you can stick a two-sided tape. As it is of lightweight, here I am using a two-sided tape to stick it to a wall. And finally we are done with everything, and this is how it looks. It's looking so beautiful. So friends, give it a try as it is very easy to make. And that's it guys. Hope you liked today's video. See you in the next video. And if you are new to my channel and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. Thank you for watching and bye bye.